y'all, my name is Kara. Welcome into Lemons to Lemonade. We're a furniture flipping family located deep in the heart of Texas. Flipping furniture is our certified side hustle, and we started flipping furniture last year when my husband lost his job due to COVID. And it's fair to say that we're obsessed because we've been flipping furniture ever since. We have been really busy this week preparing for a furniture flipping challenge with some other really awesome YouTubers. And those flips are going to air next week. So be sure to hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on that exciting furniture flipping challenge. But for this week, I thought I'd show you something else that we've been working on. Have you heard of that new money-making side hustle known as flipping old chairs? Yes, this is really a thing. Flipping chairs has become another big side hustle in the furniture world. And I thought, why not put our furniture flipping skills to the test and see if we can also have success flipping old chairs. So come on along with me to the garage and I'll share with you some of the pros and some of the cons to flipping chairs for profit. Oh yes, first up I found this adorable pair of checkerboard wingback farmhouse style patterned chairs. They were absolutely adorable. I found them at an auction for the bargain price of $5 each. That's right, $5 each. They were in excellent shape. Fabric was perfect. Absolutely nothing needed to be done to these chairs. I gave them a little clean with my Bissell Spot Shot and off they went to Facebook Marketplace land where they sold in about a week's time. They did sell in a pair for the final price of $160. So not bad out the gate for $10 total spent on a pair of chairs. Well, I had such success with the first pair of wingbacks that I found another pair of burnt orange velvet wingback chairs, again, that were in perfect, spotless condition at the auction. I paid a little more for these. They were $80 total for the pair, but I knew with this burnt orange velvet look that they would sell really quickly in our market. So I did go ahead and scoop them up, and I listed these guys individually this time and ended up selling them for $90 a piece, and they sold in about a day or two. Both of them were gone. Next up with this beautiful bent wood rocking chair, super vintage, really cool, very in style with a rattan back right now. So I had no idea where to list this one, honestly, and a girlfriend gave it to me for free, which was amazing. So I started this one kind of high on Facebook, around $250, I think, because I'm seeing them on Etsy and things for around $400, but I just didn't know where it was going to go in my market. Honestly, I sat on this one for a while before it moved, which is okay, but I had a lot of looks and a lot of questions about it, and I ended up selling it for $150. Again, I did get it for free, so that was great, but I was surprised this one took a while to sell. It's such a neat piece, and it was in perfect shape. Okay, look at this sweet bird cage wingback chair. I picked this up on Facebook Marketplace for $30. Again, it was in really good shape. I totally lucked out with finding all these chairs that didn't need any repairs or anything done. It had this adorable fabric with bird cages in the background, which I just loved. But apparently no one else really loved it as much as I did. It took a long time to sell this one, and I finally ended up marking it down to $80, but I still made $50. Not bad at the end of the day, but I was surprised this one took so long and more people didn't like it. And oh yes, last but not least, I finally found myself a pair of velvet rocking chairs with the infamous grandma skirts attached. So these were in really good shape once again. Gave them a good clean with my Bissell steam cleaner, and now we're going to rip that skirt off. So the skirts came off perfectly with no issues. They had these beautiful feet underneath. The chairs overall were just in beautiful shape. Lucky again to find such a great pair. They staged really nicely in front of our staging wall with our rug, and I did sell the pair of them together for $400 total. Not bad considering I picked these up for $65 total for the two of them. That's a great profit to make on two chairs at the end of the day. Time for the final numbers. Drum roll, please. So the total after flipping 8 chairs is $970. We spent $185 on the chairs themselves, so that leaves us with a total take-home number of $785. I would say flipping old chairs is a pretty good little side hustle. I will definitely try this again. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and let us know if you have given this chair flipping trend a try. I would love to hear all about your experiences. Remember to tune in next week for our exciting YouTube collaboration and watch our channel and some other really wonderful furniture flippers tackle the $100 challenge. Hit that subscribe bell so you don't miss a moment, and we will see you next week on Lemons to Lemonade.